Alright, hello guys, welcome back to another origami tutorial. Today we're going to make a plane that goes really fast, like ultra fast, like that sort of fast. That's what it's going to make when it's like zooming, accelerating across the air, going out to supersonic speed. Yeah. Cool, awesome, simplistic. Let's go. For this, to make this plane, sorry. All you're gonna need is a sheet of standard A4 paper, and like the previous video, you don't need scissors, and you don't need to cut out a square or do anything. It's very simplistic. There's no shenanigans, no deviations, just simple folding. See, I told you it's going to be simple. Alright. So first, what you're going to do is take this A4 sheet of paper and fold it in half. Fold it in half. Fold it in half. Like this. Like that. Yeah, I'm sure you all know how to fold a sheet of paper in half. So after you do that, you're going to want to unfold it. Okay? So far, so easy. Okay, so now what you're going to do is take this top flap here and fold it towards the center crease. Like this. Oops. And you're going to want to do the same thing for the other side. Making sure that they're both even and smooth. As I said before, no uneven folds, no uncrisp folds. We only accept perfect, I need to get the hand, perfect, absolutely perfect, crisp, trim folds, okay? Okay, I'm gonna fidget around, just bear with me. You know how I just love perfect folds, bear with me.
One pair of pants later.
After like several hours of fidgeting, we finally managed to get this perfectly neat fold. You see how perfectly neat it is? Yeah. Okay, so now what you want to do is take this corner flap, I don't know what you call it, what you like, and I'll rotate it to make it easy to show. And we're gonna fold it over to the center crease again, making sure again it will still line up. And fold it down, and we're going to do the same thing for the other side. Like so. Okay. So now what we're going to do is do that same thing over again.
Oh no, it's you
again! There we go. Wait, sorry. Vertical, to make it easy to show. So we're going to take this left half and fold it over again. And doing the same thing for this side. Whoops, it's not even. No. Just give me some time. I need to smooth it out. There we go. Now what we want to do is, you guess, okay, it's going to be a bit boring now, but you just smooth it out. Just give me time, hang on.
A few inches later.
Okay, so after like smoothing it out, and now I smoothed it out, and now it's become really nice. We're gonna want to, it's gonna get really old. We're gonna fold the left side to the center crease just one more time.
Oh no, it's you again.
So I'm sure you all know how to do this by now. Let's fold it over, like so. Do the same thing for the other side. So it ends up looking like so it ends up having like a dart shape. So now what you want to do is flip it over and for the right side over on top of the left side. Hang on, there we go. This is what it looks like so far. Now I'm just gonna this. A bit hard to demonstrate. See what it's like on the side. Fold it over like this. Fold it over. Gets a bit hard further up. My hand's blocking, isn't it? Yeah, I mean, this isn't the most. I kind of lost the skill to do this, but this is a learning experience for me as much as it is for you. I just need to smooth it out, and there we have it. We have supersonic plane, like speeding through the air.